All right, this should be the last video because I only have 3 or 4 more slides of information to go over. I wanted to let you guys know that you have access to something called Homework Alabama. Homework Alabama is a free service that offers tutoring and homework help in all subjects, so English, math, science, history. But part of Homework Alabama is also having a professional proofread your writing. So this is a great tool to have when you are working on those final drafts of your essays. I think the turnaround time is 12 hours. So if you turn in an essay at 7 a.m., then by 7 p.m., you should have a paper that has been proofread by a professional. So I have a link in this presentation. It's right here. You can click on that if you're in the presentation itself. But there's also a link on your Blackboard page. So this is what your Blackboard page looks like. You've got the start here, you've got the syllabus information, and then you have the helpful links folder. If you open that folder and scroll down, you see Homework Alabama and AVL. So you've got the library catalog is there, the AVL or Alabama Virtual Library link is there, and then this last one is the Homework Alabama. If you click on that link, I'll have to update that link. But if you click on the Homework Alabama link, then you should be able to go to the Homework Alabama website. There it is, the Homework Alabama website, and click on whichever option you're looking for. Self-study tools, writing lab, and then there's the homework help and the academic tutoring as well. You will have to create a free account, but after you create the account, then you'll have access to all of the tools at Homework Alabama. So if you have computer internet questions, you're responsible for computer knowledge and equipment that you need. If you have questions, you can ask me and I will do my very best to make sure that I've given you as much information as possible. But at the end of the day, the college is not responsible for computer issues. If you have questions concerning Blackboard, it's not working properly, you don't know how to log in, it's not letting you do things, or if you cannot log into your CAC email, then you need to contact the IT department and create a help desk ticket. The way that you do that is you email helpdesk@cac.edu, and you tell them what your name is and you tell them what kind of problem you're having, and they will figure out how to fix it. Internet going out is not an excuse for an assignment being late. If you are having if you are having Blackboard or CAC email related issues that are preventing you from turning something in on time, then the first question I'm going to ask you is, can you send me correspondence with the IT department? If you can't log into Blackboard or if Blackboard is not working, I need to see where you have contacted the help desk and you are actively trying to fix whatever problem is going on. If you can do that, then I can maybe extend a due date, be a little more gracious about, accepting late work, but you have to be able to show me that you have been trying to fix the problem through the proper channels. So if a problem does happen, I'm not saying that it will, but if it does, the help desk is the first place you should go. It's the first email you should send. After you send the help desk an email explaining what's happening, you need to also email me and let me know that there is a problem as soon as it occurs. Don't wait till the last minute. As soon as you realize something is going on, I need to know about it. One thing that I want to kind of be sure everybody understands is if you have a Chromebook, Chromebooks are notorious for causing problems with Microsoft Word. I love a Chromebook. They're inexpensive. They get the job done. All of the high schools in the state of Alabama use Google Chrome for all of their education needs. Google Chrome, the Google Chrome apps like Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides, that's not going to work for this course. Chromebooks often fight with Microsoft Word. If you experience problems between your Chromebook and your Microsoft Word account, I would recommend seeing if you can check out a device from CAC's library. The laptops in CAC's library are not Chromebooks. They are, I think they're Dell laptops. But if a Chromebook is the only device that you have, I would consider checking out a laptop from the library if at all possible. And then the last important piece of information for Blackboard is when you turn in assignments, you will be able to see a preview of your document. So when you turn it in, it'll show you what your document looks like in a preview window. In the past, students have reported that spacing or other formatting issues have changed from their computer to Blackboard. So the preview that they see on Blackboard is not the same as the file that they have on their computer. This happens for a lot of different reasons. If you are typing something in your Microsoft Word account that's attached to your email, and then you download that document to your computer, but your computer has a later version of Microsoft Word, then Blackboard picks and chooses the formatting for Microsoft Word. So it's very important that you review the preview window so that you can see what your document is going to look like to me. If the assignment on your preview submission is not the same assignment, if it doesn't look the same as the assignment that you saved on your computer, email me immediately. If you do not let me know that the formatting has changed and it's different, let's say it deleted all of the indentations at the beginning of your paragraphs, or it changed your line spacing. If you do not email me and let me know what has changed, I will have no choice but to assume that you did not format your assignment correctly. Part of English 101 is being able to format essays appropriately, and it's part of your grading rubric. So if you meant to format something correctly and Blackboard changed that formatting when you turned it in and you don't let me know, I have no way of knowing if you know how to format a document or not. So if your preview submission that you see on your screen when you turn in an assignment does not look the same as the file on your computer, I need to know so that I can look into how to fix that problem and not deduct points from your essay grade. Okay? So what now? We will have an open note quiz on the syllabus on Wednesday. So you need to bring the syllabus, the entire syllabus, to class on Wednesday for that quiz. You will also be turning in that syllabus acknowledgement form that is attached to the back of your syllabus. If you don't have that acknowledgement form, then you will be missing points on this quiz. So be sure you bring the printed syllabus to class on Wednesday, and it needs to be the printed one, not your computer. We will not have computers out during quizzes, so it needs to be the printed copy of the syllabus. And you should have also picked up a giant index card. Before you come to class on Wednesday, I want you to have your index card completely filled out. So this is English 101, and what goes in this little dash right here, this blank after the dash, is going to be 30074. So English 101 30074. And 30074 is going to go right here. Put your last name and your first name. If you go by a name that is not your legal first name, please put what you go by in quotation marks. Please add a personal email address. I have your CAC email address. I don't need it. I need a personal email address just in case, they send us all virtual or something crazy happens and I need to get in touch with you about class. Also, a phone number would be great too. I will not call your phone number unless it is an absolute last resort. And even then, if you accept text messages on this number, I will text you. But again, utilizing your personal phone number will be a last resort. I need to know if you're a dual enrollment student. If you are, I need to know what high school you attend. I also need to know if you are a CAC athlete. If you are a CAC athlete, please write to the side what sport you play. And then let me know which method of communication you prefer, a phone call, a text message, or an email. And the last thing I want you to do, and you can do this on the back side of that index card, is what do you think I should know about you as your teacher? What should I know that will help me teach you this semester? Maybe it's that you don't feel confident in your spelling or grammar abilities. Maybe you are coming back to school after you graduated a long time ago, and so you have to brush a lot of dust off to remember all of the things that you learned in high school. So what is something just about you or about your learning style that I would benefit from knowing as your teacher? Be sure you bring your completed index card to class on Wednesday. I will take them all up then. And I can't wait to meet everyone. I'll see you later.